Hello.
Hello,
Good morning. What is your name?
my name is Kyle.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Now let us have the starters speaking test 8. Now, this is the garden. The children are looking at the monkey. Here is the dog. Now, where is the house?
This is a house.
Where are the stairs?
There's a stair.
Where is the knife?
This is a knife.
Which is the guitar?
This is a guitar.
I'm putting it next to the man. Now, you put the guitar behind the woman. Okay. Which is the skirt?
This is a skirt.
Put the skirt under the flowers. Very good. Now, which is the frog?
This is a frog.
Put the frog on the table. Very good. What is this?
This is a parrot.
What color is it?
It's green.
How many parrots are there?
There are 2 parrots.
What is the woman doing?
The woman is pointing the monkey.
Okay. Very good. Now what is this?
This is a phone.
Okay. Have you got a phone?
Yes, I have.
Do you like phones?
No, I don't.
What is this?
This is a house.
Do you like horses?
No, I don't.
What animal do you like?
I like cat.
What is this?
This is a pencil.
Can you draw? Can you draw?
Yes, I can.
What do you draw at school?
Draw.
I
I draw a flower. A school.
Yes. Now, where do you live?
I live in Tucson City.
Okay. Is your house big or small?
My house is big.
What games do you play?
I play football.
Okay. Very good, Kyle. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.